So guys, here's an in-depth review of how to install a custom ROM on any Android Samsung Android phone, only for Samsungs, by the way. Download the Odin free. I won't be leaving a link in the description. I maybe will, but there's a high chance I will not, and just forget it. And press on AP. After you've done that, you see these file types and download recovery.tar.md5. I will try to put the link in the description for that. And once you've selected that, plug in your device and it will say here added. And then you basically press start. And after you've done that, the phone will vibrate and restart. But don't let it restart. Directly after it vibrates, hold volume up and the home button. I don't know if this is needed on other Samsung devices than this Galaxy Young, but for me it was needed, otherwise it would delete the custom recovery. So, after you've done that, get an SD card that's, in my opinion, at least 2 gigabytes. Download a custom ROM. I can't leave that in the description because I don't know what kind of phones you guys have. Put that in the SD card. Put that on the SD card, along with GApps, unless that's not included. If that's not included, you have to sideload apps or apps via APK or APK Pure, which is the best APK site, which you can install just Android apps from the web browser. After you've done that, take off the back of your phone, or if you don't have, just get a SIM card pin or paper clip and get that off. Put in the SD card. Hold volume up, power button and home, which I am gonna do. Oh, first shut down your device. Obviously, I'm using a MIUI ROM, but since that one is not rooted, it's a not rooted ROM, so I'm just gonna shut down this phone. It's gonna take a while. I think I've just said it the good way for you guys. You just have to put it on the SD card, extract it via WinRAR. Don't 7C. I don't know if 7-zip will also work. I do have it, but I never use it because I prefer WinRAR. But just extract it. GApps is not needed. But before you do that, make a new map called update.zip. It's not totally needed, but for some devices it is, and especially when you use a different type of for a different version of Clockwork mod, you would need to do that. So I'm just gonna hold these buttons. There we go. It's gonna boot into the custom recovery from that star.md5 file. It should do this. If it does not, then try it again. And the first thing you want to do is go ahead and delete all the data on your device. So there we go. Once that is done, go ahead and wipe cache partition. And last but not least, go to advanced, and do wipe Dalvik cache. Then go back and press on install zip from SD card and choose zip from SD card. Then go to update.zip. Oh, we have to go back. Go to update.zip. And go to your ROM, which is in my choice the Moki Royce 2017 unofficial 4.4 ROM. And press on install. So this can take a little while. I will just pause the recording. It will give this bar. If it does not, then just wait. After that is done, it says install from SD card completed. Then choose zip from SD card. Go to update.zip and choose open GApps ARM 4.4. If you see this, that's a good thing. I did not do this. This is the thing that I did this for the first time. So if this fails, then just don't do the G apps and just go ahead and sideload apps. But I don't want to do that. And if you want to have an Intel Android 4.4 ROM on here, the chance of getting the G apps is very, very low. I have no idea how this came on my computer. I tried downloading it, but for some reason there already was on there, so lucky me. But if you have Android 5.0 ROM, I also don't know. But if you have Android 6 ROM, I can guarantee you there are G apps available on the internet. At least from the site that I checked, which is I think opengapps.com. G apps basically means Google Apps, so it will do Google Play Service, App Store. Most of the ROMs already have Play Store, but the one I'm using here does not. But the ones that don't come with the Play Store are mostly the ones that are just better for your device and have less device usage, less CPU usage, and most importantly, some of them have the actual root features. The MIUI ROM I was using on here didn't have any root features for no reason, and it said that the CPU was 104 gigahertz while it was still at 1 gigahertz. I could not use any root app that has to do with root, so it was not a rooted version, which can be a thing when you install Chinese user interfaces. Those can literally just deny it, and if you use the wrong device, like I'm kind of using, it can crash with, for example, the Themes app, and the Themes app on here does work. I used this ROM before. It is very, very usable. I really recommend Moki to y'all. So yeah, it says installing Surge. I will just pause the recording. So it has been installed. Then go back, go to Advanced, and do wipe Dalvik cache. There we go. Now you can do reboot the system now. And if it gets into a boot loop, I have two more steps for you. Reboot the device. And if that does not work, put it on the charger while it's having a boot loop and turn off the device, and it will show the charging logo. And then it will basically just if it is good, then it will just boot. Hey, mine is booting. That's the Moki mascot. It's working. Pretty nice boot animation, but since it's a little bit into in a too high quality thing, it's gonna lag a little bit. You can do anything with this ROM. It's absolutely the best ROM there is. Although the G apps really sucks, they didn't have the Play Store. If it has a Play Store now, then I'm sold. Then this is the ROM I'm gonna keep on here for the rest of the life of this phone. I have no idea how I came on the G apps, because yeah, even Android 5 didn't work from the official G app site. So please work. But yeah, you can customize your own boot animation. You can do anything that has to do with root. Unless you mind having a different ROM on your device, I have no idea, and I'm not responsible for any bricked device. This is the good tutorial. If your device still didn't want to go into the custom recovery, put your device in download mode and basically reflash the custom recovery, and instead of letting it boot up, just hold the volume up in home so it can directly boot into the custom recovery, because they're now like there are 5 custom recoveries on there, and 4 or 3 of them literally just failed. So yeah, but since it's just the cheapest Samsung phone ever made, yeah, booting takes a while. This is normal. You can customize your own buttons as well in some of the ROMs. I can do that now. Really very good looking ROM, especially for it beats some official ROMs for this device, like the MIUI ROM. This one is better, it's faster, less CPU usage. That's the main thing. Overclock it as well, which is the first thing I'm gonna do. But yeah, guys, it's booting now. I will make this video a perfect 10-minute video, so you all won't be having a too long fit. It's almost started up, so I will pause the recording. Mine is based on CyanogenMod 11, I think. Here we go. You have the what is Trebuchet launcher? I don't know. Let's just first do the Moki launcher, so I can show you all what it's gonna look. Your phone can lag in the beginning. But, oh, I just chose Trebuchet, or whatever you want to say it. Trebuchet has stopped, okay. Select home app, it says. Moki launcher, just do always. I may actually put a different launcher on here, who knows. And there we go. Trust me, it's not gonna be laggy when it's fully booted up. There we go. Totally clean Android 4.4. Looks lovely in my opinion. 4.4 and Ice Cream Sandwich 4.0 and Jelly Bean are just the favorite versions of me. Like Android 5, 6, 4.0, 4.1 and 4.4 are my favorite versions. And 4.3 as well. I had a lot of luck with them. I'm now using Android Marshmallow. I'm actually using Android 9 on my phone right now, but on my tablet I use my tablet even more than my phone, and that one is Android 6. So yeah, it's fully working. Hey, the Play Store is there as well. Yay! Finally. So all the Google apps have been installed, which I did not expect. I'm really happy with that. Thank God. Yeah, sometimes it just randoms. RAM dumps, not random. Has just been started up in there. Yep, Google Apps did work. So lucky me. Anyways, guys, I can show you the lock screen. When I installed Google Play Store on the MIUI ROM, it was also really laggy. This phone can't do anything about it. It's just Qualcomm. Qualcomm sucks with their CPUs. Anyways, guys, it works. The browser works. As you can see, that works. Holding this button is multitask, I think. Yes, it is. So that works. Anyways, guys, see you later.